I think the most valuable lessons I'll be taking back and using in practice is the fact that osteopathy is not one thing. It's a combination of cranial functional, structural, and I'm going to be using all of those depending on the horse, so it's so adaptable. I think it's going to be really valuable. I'm Beth Pestel. I'm a riding instructor and rehabilitation worker. I come from Britain. I've worked with horses over 40 years and competed show jumping to FEI, and I've learnt that a sound horse is the only horse that is worth having, and that you can prolong their career through careful management. I found osteopathy as it seemed to answer a lot of the questions I was asking about maintaining soundness. I started the online program, found it very straightforward to actually go through. It was a logical sequence, made sense, and the tutors are always available if you had any questions. Masterclass has been absolutely brilliant. I knew the theory, I'd practiced, but actually coming to the masterclass brings it to life. You've got instructors that show you, watch you, not critique because it's all very positive, but improve your technique, your palpation skills, and the feel of what you're doing. So yeah, it's made such a difference in my confidence.